If you want to start, grow, or scale your online business, then watch this video till the end to get started for free. Now, maybe you're starting out, maybe you don't know how to do it or what to do, or maybe you have an existing business and you want to grow or expand online, or maybe you're a struggling entrepreneur and you really want to turn things around. So this video is for you. And if you are any kind of educator, coach, tutor, or consultant, this is for you. So why you should watch this video? Let's first understand the general myth which is going on in the market. So if someone wants to start, grow, or scale their business, what are they going to do? First thing is they're going to find a mentor, right? And a good mentorship program will cost somewhere between $2,000 to $4,000. So even if you invest, say, $4,000 in this good mentorship program, then in order to activate your business, you need to invest in the following. Well, you need sales funnel automation, which is costing around $3,564 annually. You need marketing automation, which is costing $1,200 annually. Then you need digital marketing team that will cost you at least $1,500. Then you would need book writing experts who would charge you at least $1,500. Then you would need video hosting platforms, which would charge you $600 or more per annum. Then you would need live streaming services that would charge you around $2,000 per annum. Then you would also need high ticket closing skills, which a good program will charge you around $2,500. Then you would need designers, copywriters, videographers to create the entire program for you, and they will charge around $3,000. And then you also need online tests, surveys, support desk. All these things will charge you at least $1,000. So the total cost is $16,364. Now, let's not forget you also invested $4,000 in the mentorship program. So if we add that, the total cost is $20,364. And this is literally impossible for majority of the middle class dreamers. And that's the reason majority of the people don't even get started, even if they want to start, grow, or scale their online business. And we want to change things around. So what if you don't have to invest in any mentorship program? That means you're saving $4,000. And what if you could publish unlimited courses or books for free? What if you could host unlimited live events for free? What if you could host unlimited video content for free? What if you could build unlimited online tests, surveys, webinar pages, and more for free? And what if you could teach and manage unlimited students for free? And what if you could manage your entire business from your phone only? Yes, that's right. Introducing Atmanirbhar Business Community Marketplace, also known as ABC Mart app. This is India's first Atmanirbhar marketplace for authentic educational digital product and services, available both on Google Play Store and App Store. But that's not it. Let me share some other cool stuff that we have inside ABC Mart app for you. Now, inside ABC Mart app, we don't just give you knowledge, technology, and support. We also include AI behavior-driven conversion system that automates the selling for you. So for example, we publish your program inside ABC Mart app and we give away some free content for people to check before they take a decision, right? So when someone comes and checks your content, then they instantly get a notification with a coupon code, making sure that the sale is closed there and then only. Now, if someone watches your content multiple times, then they also get a notification with a higher discount rate to close the sale there and then itself. Plus, if a sale is dropped, then instantly a notification goes like, did something go wrong? And they offer another coupon code to get the sale back. Isn't that exciting? But I'm not done yet. When someone buys your program and joins your program, you can literally give them a welcome bonus, which is equivalent to the sale price, and that'll really flatter them. Like for example, if your program is worth 5,000 rupees. So when they join, you can give them a welcome bonus with 5,000 rupee worth of coupon code. So if someone buys anything from the marketplace, then you also earn a commission from that sale. How cool is that? Plus, if you want to scale your business, then you can also apply for a startup funding up to 1 crore rupees. that is only for the ABC Mart members only. And ABC Mart app is a global app, so you can cater to international students and educators can teach from anywhere in the world. Sounds amazing, but let's talk about the content security. Now, inside ABC Mart app, we've got Netflix kind of security. Now, what do I mean by that? Because this is an app both on Google Play Store and App Store. So if someone tries to screen record your content, then the screen goes blank. That means they cannot steal your content. Plus, we do have offline video download option available in the app, but the download happens within the app only. That means they cannot download this on their phone. That means your content is highly protected, which is very crucial for all educators. And for a very limited time, you can join at a huge discount. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below right now. So that's how easy it is to start, grow, or scale your online business with ABC Mart app. So don't wait, simply click the link below right now and get started right now. No setup required as everything is done for you. No upfront investment required to activate your business, and no more need to invest $4,000 or more on mentorship or coaching programs. Simply join the ABC Mart app right now and we will work with you as partners and give you everything you need to activate your business, like knowledge, technology, support. So what are you waiting for? Simply click the link below and get in right now. Now, before we end this video, I have some bad news for you. As a result-based platform, we have very limited spots available. So if you try and leave this page and come back later, you might see an offer closed message. So act now before the spots are gone. Imagine publishing courses without any setups. Imagine serving unlimited students without any overhead cost. Imagine getting sales on autopilot even while you are on holidays. And imagine serving students from anywhere across the world. And imagine managing your entire business from just your phone. Now stop imagining, because this is all possible with ABC Mart app. So what are you waiting for? Simply click the link below right now and get in and start, grow, and scale your online business with ABC Mart app right now. Huh? Still here? ABC Mart app is awesome. Simply click the link below and get in right now, and I'll see you on the inside.